Hi guys, this is Karina. Today we're going to talk about template 29. Today we're going to make this inspired Camellia flower that I saw an inspiration on Google, a real flower. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably see me compare the original, like the real Camellia picture with the template. So we're going to make a smaller version. This is the larger version, roughly around 20 inches, so it is pretty big. Today we're going to make a smaller version of this flower. Let's take a look at the template. So you will receive 11 outer petals and then 9 for your inner center petals. So today, like I said, we're not going to make the large one. We're going to make a smaller version just to make it a little bit quicker. So the petals that we'll need today will be your first, second, third, fourth, and fifth petal of these, so your smallest ones, and you need 6. Okay, so 6 of these. And then for your inner center, you will need first one, second one, the fourth, the fifth, and the 6th. Okay, and so for your 2 smallest ones, you will need 4, and then for the rest of them, you will need 6. Okay. So let's get started. How to prep them. For your outer petals, what you're going to do is super simple. You're just going to crease them, so fold them in half, just like that. Then grab your scissors. So we're just going to cut about 1/2 inch. You're going to add some glue. And fold just like that. Okay. Pretty much that's what you're going to do to all the petals. And then for your inner petals, you're going to do them the same way. You're going to fold them in half and then just add a little dot of glue. And just like that as well. So that's what you're going to do to all of them, okay? All right, let's get started. So grab your largest ones and we're going to make a circle. If you follow me on YouTube and see me make all my flowers, this is pretty much what I do. Because you want to make that base. Just a little tiny dot of glue. Alright, kind of want to readjust this petal, which is why I just put a little bit of glue. Alright, perfect. Can you see that little circle right there? That's exactly what we want. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut out a circle because we want to cover up that hole. You do get 3 different size circles, so you can probably use your small circle that's provided. And we're just going to cover it up. Just like that. All right, and then honestly, I mean, it's gonna be super simple. Now you grab your next size. Now we're gonna go in between the petals, add a little bit of glue, and now you're just gonna go all around. All right, next size. Repeat. Now you're going to go in between those. All right, grab your next sides, and you're gonna go in between. Right, now we have one more of those outer petals. Repeat the same steps. Now the larger version, the one that I just showed you right now, the coral one, constructed the same way. Under the description of where you bought the PDF, I did write down which template or which petals I used, which are the larger ones. So I did write down how many you need of each. All right, so there's that part. Now we're going to go to our inner petals, which are your more pointier ones. And we're going to repeat the same steps again. So just go around. Grab your next size. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. All right. Your next ones. Your next 6. But this time, look what I'm going to do. This time I'm going to go kind of like a triangle. So I'm going to go between here, then here, right here. So I'm first doing 3, and then the next 3 in between those first ones. Just like that. Now for your 4. Now I do recommend, did I bring it? Oh no, I left it, hold on. A small wooden dowel. Sometimes your fingers might not. And now you're just gonna go pretty much with these 4, you can place them wherever you want. I'm just gonna go over here. I think I might go here. So this is where your wooden dowel comes in handy. I'm gonna do one right here. And opposite of that side. So I don't know if you've seen, I did kind of a cross first 2 and then those 2 across. And I'm going to repeat the same steps for the last one. So I'm going to go right there. This one right here. this one in the middle. And there you go, guys. Just like that. So your last 4, you can pretty much put them however you want, because that's pretty much going to be your center of your Camellia flower. And that is it. I do have a video on my YouTube that will show you how to add the wire on the back if you're going to mount them onto a wall or even onto fabric. I discuss a little bit about bar pins. Right? So if you have any questions, please message me either on my Etsy at Aerialise Designs or Instagram, Aerialise Designs. Bye.